Welcome to the breathtaking Kashmir Valley, a land where nature whispers in every breeze. Snow-capped peaks rise like silent guardians, while lush green meadows stretch beyond the horizon. The crystal-clear waters of Dal Lake shimmer under the golden sun, carrying stories on every Shakara ride. In spring, tulips bloom like dreams painted in color. In winter, the valley wraps itself in a blanket of pure white magic. Every moment here is timeless, every view a masterpiece. Kashmir isn't just a place, it's poetry, peace, and paradise on earth. Thanks for watching.